Hello students, so let us move on to the next topic. Next topic, it is nothing but the Cauchy's integral formula. Note the statement for the Cauchy's integral formula. Let f of z be analytic inside and on a closed curve C, and A is any point inside C, then we can find the integral value over the closed curve C. Integral over closed curve C, f of z by z minus a dz. This value is 2 pi I f of a. Observe that your A point is lying inside the circle C and your function f of z, it is analytic inside as well as on the curve C. So, using the formula, let us move on to an example. We have to evaluate the integral over closed curve C, e power z by z plus 1 dz, where your curve C, it is mod z plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. Observe your curve C. Your curve C is mod z plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. I can write this curve as z minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. Let us draw the circle. Observe the center point. The center point of the circle, it is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So, z equal to minus 1 by 2 is the center of the circle. Radius of the circle is 1. So, observe this point which is on x-axis. This point will be minus 1 by 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So, this point will be 1 by 2 comma 0. Whereas, coming to the left side point, this value will be minus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is nothing but minus 3 by 2. So, this point here, it is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Now, let us move on to your integrand. The integrand is here. E power z by z plus 1. Look at the denominator. Integrand is in the form of rational function, numerator by denominator. For this integrand will be saying that the singularity is at the point where your denominator becomes 0. Denominator is z plus 1. If you put z plus 1 equal to 0, you will be getting z value as minus 1. So, for the function, the singular point is z equal to minus 1. Let us locate this z equal to minus 1 singularity within the circle. Observe the value z equal to minus 1 by 2. This side is z equal to minus 3 by 2. So, obviously, z equal to minus 1, it will be lying here somewhere on x-axis. And obviously, as you observe, the singularity point lies inside the circle. So, I will state that the singularity lies inside the circle C. As the singularity lies inside C, I am underlining the word, note it down. The singular point, it is lying inside the curve C. Hence, now by Cauchy's integral formula, I can use this formula to find the integrand value. So, I will write by Cauchy's integral formula, observe the value, integral over closed curve C, e power z by z plus 1 dz. This value will be 2 pi I into f of A value is here. A value is nothing but z equal to minus 1. Let us find out this value f of z equal to minus 1 within the formula. Here we will be saying that f of z value, it is nothing but e power z. Hence, f of z equal to minus 1, this value will be e power, substitute z as minus 1, and hence integral over closed curve C, e power z by z plus 1 dz. This value will be 2 pi I into e power minus 1. Thank you.